Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader here from Mr. Topstep with your Tuesday morning pre-market webcast. Okay, first things first, let's talk about what's going on right now. The current print is 1303 even. After, we had the big spike up Sunday night, sold off all day yesterday. We did a low, Globex low, about 6:30 last night, down at 1297. We've been up to 1309 twice, and that's held up as resistance. We bounced 4:30 in the morning off of the 9-day pivot at 1301.5. So we did 1309, back to 1/2, up to 09, and now we're coming back, trading 275. So if we see a break of the 1300 area, I would expect to move back down to the Globex lows pretty fast. And that starts opening up 1293, 1288.5, 1282.5, 1277 on the downside. I was going into today, I'm flat right now, but going into today I was really expecting an inside day after what we saw yesterday, but they violated the low by 6:30 at night. So this market is pretty weak. We saw a lot of pretty hesitant trading in the middle of the day yesterday, and I bring this up because this dynamic may return. You had the bears get crushed Sunday night. Anybody that was short the close on Friday got crushed. But from that point forward, anybody that was long went and gave it all back and a lot more. So basically anybody that wasn't in cash or anybody that isn't flipping, and that's a lot fewer people than anybody really lets on, all got taken out to the woodshed one way or the other inside of a 24-hour period. So you got a lot of nervous people in this market. The bears right now are far more nervous to press this thing than I think they would be otherwise. And the bulls are much more nervous to come in and buy the dip than they would be otherwise. So you're going to have that kind of dynamic. And the way that'll play out is in these gigantic 5-minute candles that you'll see from time to time. But right now the key is 1301 to 1300. Now, if they do bounce the market, up at 1314, you've got the daily and 3-day pivots that are within half a handle of each other. And those of you that have followed the webcast for a while, you know that when those two pivots line up that close, they tend to be magnets for price. So on a bounce today, that's my target level, 1313 to 1314. So if, from here, we could get a very nice bounce today. So if you do see the dip buyers come in, that's a nice long opportunity with a couple handle stop underneath, and you should be looking to take profits all the way up. But I would leave a runner until we get to 1313 or 1314, and then go ahead and exit the trade. So everybody have a fantastic day. Oh, before we do that, I'm running off the trade. Let's do quick support and resistance. Current level is 1303. Upside. We're sitting just underneath the 20-day pivot at 1303.25. 200-day exponential comes in at 1311.20. You got a fib level sitting right on top of it, 1311.40. Then the double pivots I mentioned at 1314. Then we go up to 1319.20 and 1323.10. On the downside, 1302, 9-day pivot 1301.58, 1297, 1292.56. and 1285.40. So everybody have a fantastic day. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader for Mr. Topstep. Trade them well. Use stops, guys, and be hedged. Don't be walking away from your computer with open positions. It's still very, very volatile. And I will see everybody tomorrow morning with another webcast.